Good morning students, I am Tushar Varde, your English teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya Nasik Road Camp. Students, in today's video session we are going to deal with your poem Dust of Snow. As you know, all know that student, this poem has been written by Robert Frost. Last year also in class 9 there was a poem, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. So you must have known about his style of writing poems. He chooses simple images and simple objects to convey his deep meaning. So in present poem also, actually this present poem is having only 2 stanzas. This poem is too short, but it gives us a deep meaning and message about our life. In the beginning, let me tell you, unfortunately I do not have textbook with me, so that's why I have a PDF form of this poem with me. If you do not have textbook, then I will send a PDF form of this poem to you, so whenever you will be going through or studying this poem, it will be helpful for you. So, Dust of Snow, Robert Frost. So first of all, what is the theme of this poem? You will try to think about it. Students, in this present poem, poet Robert Frost has tried to focus or cast light on the relationship of nature and humans. Secondly, he also talks about what type of positive impact nature or natural activities have on negative human emotions. Thirdly, the theme is that most of the time insignificant, trivial, petty events or incidents in our life or surrounding us can have great impact, deep impact in our life. Seemingly we think that these are the small things, unimportant things, but such small and unimportant things can give a positive change and direction to our life. So this is the message, this is the theme given in the poem. And while presenting these simple themes, poet has used alliteration also while conveying the theme to us. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The first stanza describes that one day the narrator is sitting under hemlock tree. So how, it's not clearly given, but whenever he was there, all of a sudden crow shakes or somehow makes to fall dust of snow on him. Actually, logically it is not given that what made it to fall on the narrator. It is not clearly mentioned here. It is not that much important, but anyhow it happened that wherever that on hemlock tree that crow was sitting, that crow makes that snow dust fall on the narrator. Here in the first stanza you will find that crow and hemlock tree, which is also called as or known as a poisonous tree, both are signs or symbols. Generally we consider them as negative things. Those are the harbingers or messengers of negative things. So we relate negativity to them. But anyhow, they give positive direction to narrator's life. It happens in second stanza. What happens in second stanza? In second stanza, narrator says that has given my heart a change of mood. What happens that all of a sudden, seemingly outwardly, it seems that falling dust of snow, it's very petty thing, but this small and petty thing has changed narrator's mood. Throughout the day, actually narrator had been in bad mood. Okay, but this small petty action naturally happened, gave positive direction to his mood. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Word rude and saved are used here. Earlier, whatever day he had spent in that bad disposition, bad mood, that he could not undo, he could not change, but the remaining day, remaining moments of his day, due to that positive change, positivity, now he could live it properly. So this is the message given through the small poem Dust of Snow, that small and petty incidents also can change or give positive direction to your life. Just you should have that deep eye, keen eye to look into the positivity hidden in the life events. So I hope students you must have enjoy this small poem and taken positive message through it. If you face any difficulty or doubt regarding any concept, any part of this poem, please contact me on the given WhatsApp number. In next video session, we will go through next short poem by the same poet Robert Frost. Thank you.